So I'm Kaushal this side. We are based out of Delhi, and our brand name is Exclusive Lane. So we are into handcraft and handmade home decor products. Our USP is to create multifunctional utility products with the craft fusion across different art forms. So in order to produce to the end customer. Our products are home decor products, specifically handicrafts. So the biggest festival for us is Diwali season, and our product range goes very well with the Diwali season. So what we have realized that during Diwali or festive season, our sales increase 4 to 5 times, and this has been increasing year on year. So that is the best part. And just to add on, we have been preparing the festive season 3 to 4 months prior. Done an experiment wherein we have a prime warehouse. So just to feed that prime warehouse, we have created 5 micro warehouses wherein all the packaging is happening at the back end, and these micro warehouses will be feeding to the prime warehouse during the festive season. All the organic jumps, like from non-prime to prime listings, from ATS to FBA to seller flags, and all the organic things which Amazon asks or rather tell a seller to do it. Ideally, all the brands should follow the same, and definitely you can analyze the jump in your sales. But with the Amazon thing, what we have realized as a brand in last 5 years specifically, so it's not about sales only, it's about visibility also, it's about brand creation also. So Amazon is that big that so much of traffic is coming there. So as a brand, you are evolving. As a brand, you are getting that visibility. So your brand creation is also happening at the back end in an organic sense. So that plays a very important role. Maybe your sales is not that great. Maybe sale could be an immediate number to check out things. But on a gradual thing, your brand is creating, and that definitely will play an important role in your future aspect. So with all the energies, we are Exclusive Lane, we are Amazon, and we are loving it.